How to add roles on Discord. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add roles on Discord. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Discord app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Discord app. Once you have done that, simply open Discord and make sure that you are the admin of the server. So again, you may only add a role if you are part of the admin of the server. So if you are not part of the admin, then you cannot add roles. So for example, this is a server. Simply click on the three lines found on the upper left corner and then click on the server name or the three dots right here. So click on it and then click on settings. And then once you're here, scroll down and look for user management section. Click on roles under user management and click on the plus button found on the upper right corner of the screen. And then you may change the role name to whichever you want and then change the color of the role. For example, I will choose orange. Click on save once you are done and then click on create right here. Wait for it to load and then you may set up permission such as the moderator, manager, member, and cosmetic. So you should read all of these so that you may understand all of them. So you may also skip this one if you don't want to, and then choose the members that you want. For example, I will choose this one and then click on finish found on the bottom part of the page. So as you can see now, the new role has been added, and then that's it. That's how you can add roles on Discord. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.